SSIS learning module is going on, and in this video we will talk about the deployment model of SSIS projects. SSIS project supports two kinds of deployment model, a project deployment model and the legacy package deployment model. This project deployment model uh, introduced in SQL Server 2012 integration service, and with this deployment model we have to deploy the whole projects, and all the packages which are available in this project will be deployed. There is no option to deploy one or more package in this model. But in SQL Server 2016 and onward, the integration service introduced the incremental package deployment feature. By using this feature, we can deploy one or more package without deploying the whole project. So now we will concentrate on the project deployment model, which is the latest one, and the SSIS DB catalog will be used to deploy this model. So let's move to the SQL Server data tool, and we will try to deploy our projects which we implemented in the previous videos. This is the SQL Server data tool, and this is the control flow and data flow which we have designed in our previous videos. Now we are going to deploy our project. This is the SSIS first project. So to deploy this one, I have to first build the project. The build is successful, and I already set the target for this project, that the start to it will be deployed on the SQL Server 2017. So I have set this target in the previous videos. Now I'm going to deploy this project. Right click, and there is the option by default. This supports the project deployment. If we have to go to the previous model, which is the package development models, in the old model, legacy package development, then I have to convert to the package deployment model. Then I will convert this into the package deployment model. Then I can deploy the package deployment. But right now I will go with the project deployment model, which is the default model. So I have to click the deploy, and then the configuration will start. I have to click next, and here I have to mention my server name, and my server name is this one, which I'm using to deploy, where I have configured the SSI DB catalog. And for the deployment, we have to use a Windows authentication. SQL authentication will not be accepted. So I have to connect with this server. It's successful. I have to specify the path where I need to deploy. So this is the SSIS DB catalog, which we already configured in the previous videos in SQL Server. And now we have to create the new folder, or I can use the from the existing folder. If we want to create the new folder, then I have to click the new, and this folder I recently created, demo project deployment. So I will use this folder to deploy my this first demo project. So I will select this folder. This is the path of the folder. I can deploy from the SQL Server data tools, or I can directly go to this catalog DB in the SQL Server Management Studio, and I can deploy from there also. So this is the destination, this is the source, and I'm going to deploy. So let's see what will happen. So it will take some seconds, some time to deploy the projects. All the tests have passed. So it's deploying on the SQL Server DB catalog. So it's deployed successfully. I will go into the SQL Server this DB catalog, and we'll check the project there. Now this is the SQL Server Management Studio, and these are the integration service catalog we have created in the earlier videos, and this is the demo project deployment folder which we created by using a SQL Server data tool. And in this folder, these are the projects, and we have to find out our project. This is our project, and in this project, this is the package which we designed. So now to run this package, to execute package, we will have to check the configurations. The connections, we have the source, which is the Excel file, and the Excel file path is coming here. This is the Excel file which have we have given there in the package design, and this is the destination where our data will be uploaded. So I will use this, and I will preferences and the parameters. Okay, these all configurations are okay. So I have to execute the package. So it's executing here. If you have the 64-bit drivers installed, then well and good. I have 32-bit drivers on my system, so I will check click this one, and I will click OK. The package is now executed, and it's saying do you want to open the report which will show us the progress of the package. So the first time I will open this report to check the progress of my package. So my package status is succeeded, and these are the tasks in that package. So all the tracks are completed successfully, and this is the duration of the each task took to complete. So now if I will go and check the data into my table, uh, because this package we have seen in the earlier video will take the data, will extract the data from the Excel, and will upload into the destination of the which is SQL server, and it will load the data into this table. So the 18 records will be here, so it's there. So if I will execute again, then this will make the records to double. So if I will execute the package again, then it will make the records in this table double, 36. So I have to execute the package. I will execute again, and the package, I don't want to see this time the report. So if I will check that this one table, before it there are 18 records, and now if I will execute, it is 36. This second time the package is executed. So this is the way we can deploy our package in SSIS DB catalog.